Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Google Chrome web browser, the one that has been optimized for the Apple Silcon M1 processor. So click on Safari and in the search bar at the top just type in Google Chrome and then hit enter, and then the first link you're going to get here is download Chrome today. Click on that. And then after that we are going to see download Chrome here. It says here for macOS X 10.10 or later. Click on download Chrome. Now here there are two options for your Chrome download. We want to pick the second one here, which is Mac with Apple chip. So click on that and then that's going to download there. Let me just speed through until that's downloaded and then I will install it. Okay, so now that it is downloaded, just click on downloads here and then just click on the Google Chrome.dmg file, and then what it's going to do is launch that, and it will ask us where do we want to install it. There we go. So I'm just going to drag that, drop it onto that folder there for the apps folder, and now that will have installed it into our apps directory. As we can see here, it's going in. Okay, now I'm just going to go to the launch pad here for the apps directory, and then I'm going to scroll along, and there we go, Google Chrome. So let me just tap on that. Okay, give it a second, it'll launch. What it is, my machine's a little slow at the moment because I filled up the hard drive. Right, so what I'm going to do is just click on open. It's just warning us here that this was something that was downloaded off the internet, but this has come from a reputable source, so don't worry about it. So click on open, and there we go. There is our new Google Chrome for the Mac M1 chips. So this is going to run native now for M1 users and stuff. So once again, this is good for the Mac Mini M1, also the MacBook Air M1 and the MacBook Pro M1. Now, there's a good reason why you may want to use this, or there's a couple actually. One is you're used to using Chrome, so now you can use it properly on your M1 product, but also there's a massive good reason why you want to use this, and that's because you can now stream YouTube in 8K 60 frames per second using this browser. Now if you check my descriptions below, and maybe there's a pop-up here, I will do a video showing how you can play 8K 60 on YouTube using the Google Chrome web browser on your Mac M1 product. Okay, if you found this video insightful, interesting, or if you found it entertaining maybe, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and clicking all over that bell notification icon for whatever that is worth. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.